Yo, it's your boy DMV Computerman. Look, so one of my great customers came in. He wanted me to build out his PC. So we back here in the lab building out the PC. Motherboard just got dropped in. I need to drop some screws in, plug that in, and we're gonna keep rolling. Rocking, rolling, repair. Oh, it records for a long time. Yeah, I already did like an hour and a half worth of videos now. Tight spaces. We just got the house supply installed. Alright, update. We got the liquid cooling fans in here, regular fans. We got the goddamn GPU and everything running. About to check out the specs we have here. Motherboard, processor, RAM, 4 terabyte hard drive, main profile right here. Decent build out, gang. Decent build out. Now, let's get into pricing, right? As far as prices, we got the RAM, which he paid $400 for the RAM. Hard drive, another $400. So we at $850. It's $450 right here. I'm guessing that motherboard, I could look that up. Did anything else have a price on it, Dre? Power supply, let me see if it had a price on it. Power supply doesn't have a price on it, but I would pretty much know power supplies run around about $100. So we have about $900. It's got a price on it? Nah, we'll look this up. But the cooling system, I would guess this is around $200. I could price it out, but we had about a $1,200 PC, and then we ain't even priced out the motherboard, the CPU, and the case. So I'm guessing with all of this added in, the CPU got to be around about $400, right? And the motherboard probably around another $200 or $300. So you're talking another $600-700. We're talking about a $2,000 PC. Now, reason I'm pointing all this out is getting things built is cool if you're looking for specifics. If you just want to play certain games and you're not even a big time gamer and you just getting your feet wet, buy something that's already built.